Now let's finish with some practical expectations about the mediation day itself. Most mediations last at least a half a day and often a full day. The more complicated the case, the longer the process may take. There are often periods where it feels like not much is happening during the mediation. But during those times, the mediator is usually speaking with the other side, evaluating positions, or working through negotiation strategy. Patience is important. Clients sometimes hear about both mediation and settlement conferences. While they are similar in purpose, they're usually very different experiences. With mediation, both sides usually choose the mediator, the process is more flexible, and there's often a greater opportunity to fully present the case. With settlement conferences, they're usually controlled by the court. They are often shorter, more rushed, and limited by court schedules and resources. Sometimes they're extremely productive, other times they're not. Because the court controls the process, you often have less ability to shape the experience. Stay open-minded. One important thing to remember is this: mediation is a process. Sometimes the negotiations move quickly, sometimes they move slowly, and sometimes cases that seem impossible to resolve at the beginning of the day end up settling later after enough discussion occurs. So it's important to stay patient and open-minded throughout the process. Final thoughts. The purpose of mediation is not simply to settle cases. The purpose is to evaluate risk, exchange information, explore possible resolutions, and help clients make informed decisions about their future. Sometimes mediation resolves a case, sometimes it does not. But either way, it is usually an important step in the litigation process. Before mediation, we'll still prepare you directly and discuss specific strengths, risks, and strategies for your case. But hopefully this video series gives you a much clearer understanding of how mediation works and what you can expect. As always, if you have questions, please contact our office.